Hello friends and welcome to Parks Crafty Creations. I'm your host Brian Parks, and welcome to our special product spotlight. If you've ever struggled with cutting fabric cleanly, or you're tired of dull blades slowing you down, this is definitely something you'll want to see. Today, I've been given the chance to try out these titanium 45mm blades from thefabrichut.com. And quick heads up, they're actually on sale right now for a limited time for half off. So, now is a great time to stock up if you're interested in picking up a set for yourself. Let's be real, nothing is more frustrating than a blade that drags, skips, or frays your fabric, especially when you're working on something detailed or using delicate or expensive materials. I've definitely had projects slowed down just because my blade wasn't cutting the way it should. One thing I noticed right away is how well these are packaged. I got 10 blades and they came in a nice plastic protective case. And swapping them into my rotary cutter was super quick and easy, as I would expect. Now, as soon as I started cutting, I could feel the difference. These glide really smoothly and give a clean cut without snagging. And best of all, I found I didn't have to use much pressure at all to get them to cut cleanly. And part of that comes down to the titanium coating. These are designed to be harder and more wear resistant than standard steel blades, so they stay sharper, longer, and keep that smooth cutting feel over time. I tested them on cotton, layered fabric, interfacing, and even some of my thermal batting I use for our mini sewing caddies we sell on Etsy. And they handled multiple layers really well. And that's something I really look for in a blade, being able to cut cleanly through multiple layers without having to go back over it or force the cut. What stood out most to me is the consistency. You're not having to go back over cuts or press harder, which makes a huge difference. And because these are titanium, and I've used titanium blades in the past, I swear by them for the longevity of their sharpness. You should easily get more use out of these compared to a standard blade, which means fewer blade changes and less interruption while you're working. They're also compatible with a standard 45mm rotary cutter, so you don't need any special tools to use them. I use these while working on iron caddies and cutting out shirt pieces for an upcoming project I'm working on. So I got a good chance to try them out on various materials, thicknesses, and uses, and it honestly sped up my cutting process quite a bit. And when you sew regularly, these little time savers really add up, especially if you have an Etsy shop or you enter craft shows where you're sewing for profit. Remember, time is money, and the clock is always running fast. So, overall, these are a really solid option. Sharp, smooth, easy to work with, and like I said, being made of titanium, I expect these to last for a good long time before needing to change out a blade. And again, since they're currently half off, it's actually a really good time to stock up, especially if you go through blades often. Just keep in mind, this is a limited time sale, so get them while you can. In fact, I'm going to pick up a pack of the 28mm blades as well for my little rotary cutter and check out what other goodies they might have. If you want to grab some for yourself, I'll have everything linked in the description below. And let me know, how often do you change your rotary blades? I'm curious if I'm the only one who probably waits a little too long sometimes. Thanks for watching. I've been Brian Parks for Parks Crafty Creations. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next time.